how to troubleshoot Scan to Network folder configurations. If you are looking for the setup process instead, please click the link on your screen or in the description. The first recommendation is to check that you entered the network folder path correctly, and that the network folder itself has been shared. The next recommendation is to ensure that the username and password entered here are correct, and that the username has both read and write permissions to the shared network folder. If these details are correct, it might be a time-related issue. Part of the Scan to Network folder authentication process requires the brother device and computer or server hosting the shared network folder to be configured with the same time. On a brother device, the time can either be set manually or it can be synchronized to a time server using SNTP. For help on how to do both of these things, please click the link shown on your screen or in the description. If the problem isn't time related, it could be DNS. However, before changing any DNS settings, it is recommended to try using the IP address of the computer or server hosting the network folder. In this example, instead of using the host name of my Windows 11 computer, which is Win11, I will use my computer's IP address instead. This will solve any DNS related problems or help to eliminate them, because if you are still seeing an error message with an IP address, chances are the problem is not DNS related. If, however, you cannot use the IP address and have established a DNS related problem, please ensure that your brother device's DNS settings are correct. If you need help on how to do this, click the link shown at the top of the screen or in the description. Scan to Network folder uses ports 139 and 445. Please check that your firewall or NAS drive is configured to allow communication on both of them. Also, if you are using a NAS drive, please check that the SMB protocol has been enabled. The same is also recommended for macOS and Linux, because the SMB protocol is disabled by default in many of their distributions. Thank you.